Hey guys, it's Gemma, and I just wanted to make a short tutorial about making your YouTube videos maybe look a little bit better on your um, landing pages. I learned this from a great friend, and I'm going to share my screen really quick. And I'm going to show you how, how this has all these little things right here, these videos in the front, okay? Well, as you are going to put your video in, you actually need to get to your YouTube video, okay? It's not this link up here, okay? It's this link that's down in here, or I guess if you can want to, I guess go to, let's see, back to your dashboard. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard.
I love this one. Fail early, fail.
Okay, so you grab this link here, okay, right? And you would copy this one. Now you'd go back to adding your YouTube video down here, right? Now, it's going to have those videos in front of it. If you don't want it to have those videos in front of it, just a quick tip. You can put this link in front of it, okay? It is $REL equals 0, the and sign, autoplay equals the number 1, and AMP controls equals 0, the and sign, AMP show info equals sign 0. Now, I can post that. I actually did post that on Nick's post. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. But as actually, you know what I'll do? I will go ahead and put it here too. It is that. So that is going to fix it. So check that out, okay? It does not show your 3 videos on the screen. So I just wanted to show you that quick tutorial, and I think I was still sharing that. So anyway, I hope that helped you guys with creating some of your landing pages, making them look a little bit better.